What's up, LiveLean Nation? Brad Guthrie here from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm sharing a no equipment bodyweight workout that you can do when you're traveling. So even though most hotels have gyms, they really aren't the most welcoming or comfortable places to work out. I mean, just think about it. How welcoming is cramming 10 sweaty people into a 10 by 10 foot room? I mean, take my word for it. This can be a little tough on the nose. Pew! So does that mean that you should skip your workouts while you're traveling? Guys, of course not. I have you covered with this hotel room workout. So here's how the workout works. You're gonna complete up to 6 circuits of this workout. So you're gonna complete one exercise after another, just take 15-second rest in between, and then after each circuit, you're gonna take a 90-second rest. This workout should take you up to 45 minutes if you're gonna do 6 rounds of it, or you can do as little as 1 to 2 rounds if you're really in a rush. Guys, first exercise is bodyweight squats. We're gonna do speed squat style, and I'm gonna have my butt touch a bench or a bed, just to make sure you're getting low enough. And we're going for 30 reps. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is gonna jack up your heart rate. 7, 8, 9, and 10. So as you know, 11, 12. In this workout, 14, we're gonna be doing higher reps. 30 reps here. 18, 19, 20. Butt goes back, knees bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 28, 29, and one more, boom, 30. So we're gonna get 15-second break in between exercise, just enough for me to explain to you what's coming up next. We got a decline push-up. We're going for 20. Reps are going up here because we're only using body weight. So find a bed, find a bench, feet up. See if I can do this so you can see me. Feet up, core on, arms right below your shoulders. 20 reps, no hip sagging. 4, 5, 6, 8. Make sure you keep your core turned on so your hips don't sag. 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, and 20. That's gonna give you a little bit of a head rush as well. The blood's flowing in my head right now. Okay, 15-second break. Bulgarian split squats. So first exercise, we hit our legs, we just hit our chest, back to the legs again. Find your bench, one leg up, find your balance. When you see me go down into the split squat, I'm gonna see if I can do this, move this over here so you can see proper form. We're going 15 per leg. Balance, core on, down, so my knee in alignment with my ankle. 15 reps. Press through that foot to get back up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gonna feel a good burn in the quads as well in the glutes. 12, 13, 14, 15. I think I may have did a few bonus reps there. That's all good. When you're lost count, go for more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15 per leg. 11, 12, 13. Really press through the ground. 14, 15. Whew. Shake it out. That's 3 out of the 6 exercises done. Now moving on to the Spiderman push-up. Let me move the bench or the chair out of the way. We're going 12 per side. This one may burn you out a little bit. If it does, take a break and then come back to it again. 12 per side until you finish all the reps. 1, 2, 2. 6. As you see, my knees are coming to my elbows. This is gonna pull in more core. Almost there, guys. And 12, and 12. Solid. Once again, easy there, cameraman. We hit our chest with that one. Now moving on to the step over and the duck under. So check this one out. Give me a little room here. So as you can tell, guys, with this workout, we don't need much room. That's what makes this like a hotel room style workout. Okay, we're going 12 reps per side. So step on over and then duck under. Kind of like there's a tripwire right here. Step over it, then there's a tripwire right here. Under it. That's 2, 2, 3. Just gotta open up your hips. Throw in that little squat as well. 6, halfway there. It's kind of like a boxing move as well. 7, 8. Hips feel good. 9, 10, 10, going for 12. 11, 11, 12. Last one, big, and under that wire. All right, last exercise here. Hand walkouts for 8 reps. We got that 15-second break. Let your heart rate come down a little bit. Then that's gonna be 1 circuit after you're done this. Hand walkouts, overall core stability exercise. Flat back, walk your hands out. Core on, hips aren't sagging. Walk them back in. And back. Hands in, that's 2. 3. 4, keeping that core contracted the entire time. 5, 6, 7, I think, was that 8 or was that? We'll get one more in there. And good. Guys, that right there, you can hear my heart rate. That's just 1 round. Work your way up to 6 of these rounds. There's only 6 exercises. So 6 rounds of this would be about 40-minute workout, and work your way back if you don't have that much time. Yes, you can get a muscle building and fat burning workout in even when you're in the confines of your own 10 by 10 private hotel room. So there you go, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. Hopefully you enjoyed that workout. You're gonna put that workout to use when you're traveling, when you have no equipment at home, or wherever you need, when you just need to get a workout in. So if you're wondering, what is the best workout program for me? Guys, we got you hooked up. We just came up with a LiveLeanTV quiz. So go to liveleantv.com/quiz, and it'll take you through a quick quiz to figure out what the best workout program is for you based on your goals, your fitness level, and your access to equipment. So go over there right now, take the quiz, and start transforming your body. So thanks for watching, guys, and keep living lean.